they what am I trying to say? Do you feel that they did justice to that sled? They were trying to honor that sled and remember that sled, and I sure feel like it. It sure reminds me of it with a modern twist. You gotta love those gold arms. And then these, I think Fire Cats mostly. If you watched the podcast a little while back with Robert, he was talking about how he runs Amsoil on all three of these sleds. And he's very happy with Amsoil. But yeah, that's a quick walk around. People are still showing up. But I'm going to pause this for a bit, and we're going to come back and try to get a few interviews and look at some more sleds that have come in. But that's a quick walk around of the show as far as what we have so far. There's a sled up on the hill. I think it's a John Deere that's about to come down. Maybe we can